Hey everybody, my name is Jake. I'm on the sales team here at Airframes Alaska, and today I'm going to talk to you about the Airframes Alaska dipnet poles. So as some of you may know, for years we've carried just the raw materials to make dipnet poles yourself. But this year we've decided to expand on our inventory and make a better product for the customer. New to the dipnet pole product line this year is the pre-made hoop end. This was designed by our aeronautics engineers at Airframes Alaska to be sturdy, quick and easy to replace the nets. Basically a lot more user-friendly product. So our pre-cut dipnet pole lengths come in 6 foot, 12 foot, or 1 foot pieces. The 6 foot pieces you see here, they come in 1 1/8 or 1 1/4 diameters. And they come either pre-drilled or uncut. All of them are deburred to make them go together easier. You would use the next size down of 1 foot connectors to attach the dipnet poles together. We have 3 sizes for that. You would just use the next size down or the next size up in diameter to attach the two together. For the pre-drilled dipnet poles and connectors, they're drilled out to fit this clevis pin. Slides in, connects the two pieces, and clips over so it doesn't come apart in the water. We also have button connectors, but you'll have to drill out the holes yourself as they're a larger diameter. And they just insert inside of the dipnet pole. Another new product this year is end caps and handles. We have a simple slide-on rubber handle, where we also have some more advanced shovel-style handles. On the dipnet poles, we also have end caps. If you want to cap the end closest to you, you simply slide it inside and hammer it in. Another new product this year is going to be the back saver. You can add that on fairly easily, just to give you an easier lifting surface than just the pole itself. And this is what a short length of the finished product would look like. Typically, folks at the Chitina River would set up one of these going out 36 to 42 feet, but it's certainly up to the customer to decide how long they want it.
I gotta put it on my mind. So yeah.